Today, we're going to show you how to connect to another PC remotely using AirDroid Remote Support. This is a great tool for solving Windows computer problems over a remote connection, whether you're helping a friend or providing tech support. Let's get started. First, download AirDroid Business on the supporter's computer, and download AirDroid Remote Support on the supportee's computer. Once the installation is complete, open the Remote Support app on both PCs. Now, let's set up a remote connection. On the PC you want to control, you'll see a unique 9-digit connection code. This is what you'll use to connect remotely. On your controlling PC, enter the 9-digit connection code into AirDroid Remote Support and click Connect. Once connected, you'll see the remote PC screen on your computer. You can now control it as if you were sitting right in front of it. Here are a few things you can do. Diagnose issues, check the system performance, look for error messages, and troubleshoot common problems. Install software, download and install necessary software or updates. File transfer, transfer files between the two PCs using the built-in file transfer feature. Provide guidance, use the real-time screen sharing and chat features to guide the user through steps. AirDroid Remote Support makes it easy to handle these tasks, ensuring you can provide effective support no matter where you are. And that's it. You now know how to connect to another PC remotely with AirDroid Remote Support and solve PC problems over a remote connection. For more information about AirDroid Remote Support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.